Alright, what's going on, guys? Mark here. We're just getting out the Mavic today and just trying to get some footage here. As you can see, there's a picture I took, another picture there, and yeah, just stepdad out there working, as you can see. Um, Yeah, I didn't get up very high or didn't fly around that much. It was real windy today. We had some gusts up to 20, 25 miles an hour, and every now and then I was getting a high wind warning on my controller, meaning to fly careful and don't you know don't crash due to the high wind. But it it seemed to flow okay. I had it up. Mm, I don't know. Probably 20 minutes, I guess, something like that. Um, and it did pretty good. I had to change and I think I've got it changed right. The like going up in altitude and flying forwards and so forth. It was under meters. And I needed to set it to, I think it's imperial U.S. standards because I don't know meters and all that. I got to have height and feet and all that. I can't do that other crap. So I just don't know it. So, but yeah, as you can see, it takes good video. It's this one I had it on 1080p. I didn't shoot this one in 4K. I'll have to do a test video one day and see um, what it'll do. I think there's a fire right there, straight ahead, as you can see, and see the smoke coming up. I think there's a fire right there. I'm pretty sure it is. Um, but I really couldn't tell by looking at the camera monitor or looking at the monitor on my controller. I seen the smoke coming up, but I didn't see the orange like flickering and stuff going on until just now as I'm editing the video. Um, but yeah, I mean it seems to be pretty good. I probably won't get any more up until um I don't know when because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Um, Saturday, I believe. Sunday, it's going to be extremely cold. I think the highs are going to be in the mid 20s. So, and these lipo batteries don't like cold weather. They don't fly that long at all. So, I would just prefer to not do it. And also, I don't have any real. I live in the south, so I don't have any thick gloves to go out there anyway. Not at mid 20s or even 30-degree weather. So anyway, but yeah, we'll fly some more. And also, I gotta fly my Typhoon, my Q500 I got from back from Carolina Drones. Um, so I gotta test that out and all that. I'm sure it's fine. Carolina Drones, they have taken very good care of me, and I gotta say thank you to Frank and everybody that's at Carolina Drones. I wished I lived in South Carolina, in the city that they're in, because they wouldn't get rid of me. I'd be over there every day. So, um, but yeah, as you can see, I'm just kind of toying around with it. I came down altitude and I went back up, I believe. I think I was doing something. I was trying. Oh yeah. I was trying to get the meters off and put it. I think it's Imperial. I think that's what we're at. But I was trying to get that set on the controller and looking at it and all that, and I didn't want to be adjusting anything with it being, you know, 80 feet, 90 feet up in the air, and then I hit the wrong button and it come tumbling down. So I just prefer to do that. But anyway, guys, I guess that's it for now. We will talk to everybody later. It is what is today is Thursday, January the 11th, 2018. And like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be for tomorrow. I'm not, because it's gonna be raining all day. Saturday I think it's supposed to be raining too. Sunday it's gonna be frigid, and I won't be out Sunday flying. So maybe one day this week coming up, I will be. I'm wanting this cold weather to get out of here. I'm wanting springtime to get here, because I live in the South. I hate cold weather. Now, if we get snow, so be it. Then I could get up and get some snow footage with the drone, which I've been wanting to do. We had one snow that came through, but when it did, that's when my Q500, I had a motor go out uh, on it. Oh, by the way, I had got this Q500, and about a week after I had gotten it, um, I decided, because it was rainy and all that here, so it had cleared up, and I decided to um, take it and take it out. So I did, and about, I don't know, 80, 90 feet up, 100 feet up, I forget what altitude. Excuse me, I was up, but all of a sudden I heard this beeping noise, and I looked down, and um, yeah, it said motor failure, and I looked back up at the drone, and it was tumbling down. I thought about putting the controller down and catching it, because it wasn't that far from me. I think my video is about to end. Yeah, it is. All right, guys, we'll see y'all, and I'll fill you in on the story later. See ya. Y'all have a good day. Bye.